Hello buddy, my name is Maxim and today I'm going to show you how to be able to get your ShareFactory videos to USB on PS4 to transfer to PC. All you got to do is make sure you have like your clips or whatever if you want to edit, if you already edited on ShareFactory, you just want to improve on it, and you can't do that through PS4 because when you upload it to YouTube it does come out with crap quality, but sometimes it can be good depending on the gameplay and YouTube speed. To do this, all you got to do is have the requirement is basically just have a USB and a PC or laptop, anything that you have. And if you want to edit it on your PC instead of on ShareFactory like I have done, I made like some clips, I've done Black Ops 4 and I want to edit on my PC, so I just got the clips what I wanted and I'm gonna edit on PC. So I got the clips, so all I got to do now is plug my USB stick inside my PS4. Once this is in, you need to save whatever you've done on ShareFactory. Once it's saved and share project, you want to go, just to make sure you want to go to your settings, scroll down to storage, go to system storage and go to capture gallery. Once you've done that, you can see your clip here. This I've updated with two most recent clips, so this is one what I wanted to do. Once you've done that, once you get to this part, you want to press options, copy to USB storage device, and copy whatever you want. So I want this one right here, so I'm going to press copy. This will just tell you that it will do like some folders, so it's able to show you like where it is and where it's about will be on your USB. So click OK and it will be start copying. And that's it. All you got to do now is plug your USB inside your PC, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Once you're on your PC, you want to plug the USB inside your PC. Once that is completed, you get like a pop-up. If you don't get a pop-up, then you want to go to your File Explorer, find it, and then scroll down, and then your USB will pop. Once you're on your USB storage, you want to look for a folder saying PS4. Then keep clicking these folders unless you have multiple, but follow what I'm doing. You want to click share, video clips, ShareFactory, and now will be your video clip. But before you carry on whatever you're going to do so you can upload it to YouTube or make the quality better through an editing software, well, what you want to do is make sure it is the right clip. So make sure you have like some sort of video shower, so basically like a VLC, Windows Media Player. Make sure you have some sort of media player so you're able to check it is the right clip or video. So once you have done that and you checked it and it's all great, then all you want to do is drag it, click and drag to your desktop, and it will start copying. And once this copying does, it will be on your desktop permanently and you know where it is. Once this is done as well, it will be in your folder, so if you want to like keep it there for future references, like oh my god, I deleted the PS4 montage of my Black Ops 4 on my YouTube and now I can't get it back, but it'll be in your thing. But if you don't want it there and you definitely will never look back and delete it, then you may as well just press delete, press yes. But if it's not the right clip, you have to go through the whole process again, but make sure it's the right clip this time, and then just plug in USB and then make sure it's the right clip, and if it's the right clip, you sorted, and then you're able to go on with whatever you're doing after that. So anyway guys, hope you actually enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials or more PS4 with helpful stuff, helpful tips and tricks and stuff, like with Share Factory, PS4, PC, anything, please put it down in the comments and I will help you out as best as I can. So anyway guys, hope you actually enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.